Hey, just want to show you the strumming and chords for Micah 6/8. And the first chord is an E. I'm playing that with my second, third, and fourth fingers. And then another chord is an A. It's just the ring and the ring and the pinky for that one. And then for B, I slide it up, play it open. It's just that A string that I'm playing that with my first finger. And then it's the same shape for all of those. And then there's one more. This is also an E. So it's the same chord, just a different position. This E, if you play it this way, then it allows you to slide from A to B, back to A, and then to the E. And so He has shown me, oh man, what is good and what the Lord requires of me, but to do justly and to love mercy and to walk humbly with my God. So the strumming is down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. Yeah. So those are the basics. This is what it sounds like. Pardon me. So what it sounds like through the verse or through the whole song. That's what I usually do for an intro, just the E to the A. Now back to the E. He has shown me, oh man, what is good and what the Lord requires of me, but to do justly and to love mercy and to walk humbly with thy God. He has shown me, oh man, what is good and what the Lord requires of me, but to do justly and to love mercy and to walk